Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create colored style like star ripped jeans on Dress to Impress. So get these like tights and select any pattern that you would like or any color and add the glow material. I just selected the cow print one. Then select these jeans and then I'm just going to turn off the flower. You can leave them on. And I'm going to enable the ripped jeans part, the star one. And then I am going to color them a different color as well here. Maybe like a darker brown to match the rest. You can choose like any color that you want, of course. But yeah, that is pretty much it really. As you can see, you have these really cute jeans that you can pair with the belt here or the belt from outside VIP too. You can obviously use that. But yeah, that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!